Welcome to the Sweat Events tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to manage ticket orders so you can edit orders or refund orders. All right, so you'll log into your account. And then you're going to see all of the events that you have for the current year and future years here. These events are, of course, our fake demo events that we use for these tutorials. So today we're going to look at the Old Town Renaissance Fair. All right. From the sidebar menu, you're going to go to attendees and then view attendees. You'll see a summary of all of your orders here. When you click on an order, you can see an overview of everything in that order. So you can click this button to resend the confirmation email. You can edit the tickets here. You can delete tickets with a refund. You want to check that. You can refund an item and it'll pop up a window and you can add a custom message. You can do that with products included in the order as well. Or you can input an amount that you're going to refund and then hit process refund. You can go ahead. You'll also want to include a custom message here. Both right here. And then this is just our boilerplate message that we include in all of the refund emails. So yeah, keep in mind that there's a 50% fee with every refund, so you'll just want to do it all at once. All right, and then when it comes to editing tickets, you're going to click this button. And then so we're going to check the tickets that we want to change. We can assign it to a new event time. So maybe we're moving from Saturday to Friday. And then we'll put it in general admission. And then you'll go ahead and hit save. And then we now have that ticket changed. So that's how you can edit tickets. Of course, if you have assigned seating, you can also edit it with seat selection. This just has general admission, so that's what that looks like there. All right, thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.